In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix game crashing issues in the First Descendant. So whether your game keeps crashing or is freezing or is just not responding in general, then keep watching as I'm going to show you how to solve this. So the first thing we need to do is just head over to your Start menu and you need to search for Device Manager and then click on the Device Manager window. From here, we need to come down to Display Adapters and expand this drop-down. Locate your graphics card from the list. I'm using this NVIDIA GeForce one here. Go ahead and right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver, and then just press Search automatically for drivers. Once you've ensured you're running the latest drivers for your device, we can close out of this window. And the next thing you need to do is head over to the Steam application, and then come over to the Library tab from the top. Locate the First Descendant from this list of games, and we're just going to right-click and come over to Properties. From the left-hand side, come over to Installed Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files, and this is just going to ensure that all of our files are intact and that nothing's missing or damaged. So just wait for this to get to 100%. Now, if that still doesn't fix the issue, another thing that we can do is right-click again on the First Descendant, come back into Properties, and this time head inside of General, come over to Launch Options, and we just need to type in the +FPS_max 60. And this is going to cap our FPS at 60. And in most cases, just doing this alone will fix any crashing issues. So once you've done that, we can close out of here and we can try launching up the game to see if that's now fixed the issue. Once you're inside of the First Descendant, we're just going to press O on our keyboard to bring up the options menu. And what we're going to do is head over to Graphics in the top left-hand side. Make sure Graphics is set to Custom. And then we're just going to try reducing some of the settings here. So for VSync, you want to make sure this is turned off. Anti-aliasing, we're going to go ahead and set this to low. Post-processing set to low. Shadows low. Global illumination low. Reflections low. Textures we're going to set to low. Effects set to low. Vegetation low. Shader quality low. Objects low. Physics low. And motion blur, we're just going to disable this. Then head over to the Display tab from the top. And what I'd recommend doing is setting this to full screen. Now, if you are already in full screen and you're getting this crashing issue, then you can actually try changing this to a borderless window mode, and that should solve the issue for you. So once you've done that, you can just X out of here to save the changes. And hopefully by following all of the steps in this video, that should have now fixed any crashing issues you were experiencing. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.